In this short video, I'm going to show you how to add a pop-up to your Wix website. Now, although it is possible for you to add a pop-up through Wix itself, I don't feel like it offers the flexibility or the customization options to meet the needs of every business. So I'm going to show you a much better and also free alternative. So the first thing I want you to do is to click the first link in the description of this video, which will take you to the elfsight.com platform. Now, once you've clicked on the link, this is the page that you're going to land on. From here, I want you to go over to the navigation menu on top of the page, which is where you will see this widgets button right here. From here, simply hover over it, and then you will see this massive list of widgets. I want you to go all the way down until we find e-commerce, and then you'll see pop-up about halfway down here. Click on that, and then you'll be taken to the pop-up widgets page. From here, scroll down a bit, and you will see this button that says create widget for free. Click on it, and then you'll be taken to this section here, which is where you can browse from a number of different pop-up templates. Now, as you can see, I have new collection, Black Friday, sale notification, and a dozen more that you can choose from. Now, don't worry about the actual design or the overall look of each of the templates, because you can customize absolutely everything right down to the last detail. On the right hand side here, you also have a mobile view. So if you click that, you can see what each of the templates will look like on a mobile device. Now, choose the template that you want to go with. In my case, I'm going to go for Black Friday here because I like the look of that. And then once you're happy with your choice, go ahead and click continue with this template. And then we'll be put through to this section here, which is where we can now customize the pop-up to our liking. So for example, if I don't like the background that I'm being given, I can increase or decrease the brightness. I can also change the color. In this case, I don't want to do that. I want to keep it black, just like this. Here, blocks. This is where we can customize the text block. So as you can see, Black Friday sale. This is the heading here. If I click on this, I can customize it pretty much the way I want to, including size, color, font, etc. If you want to add elements, you can do that by clicking this. If you don't want to add elements, if you want to delete elements, in fact, click on the element that you want to delete here, and then click on delete, or you can also hide it if you don't want to delete it permanently. On the left-hand side, you have layout. So if you don't want it to be left pane, if you want it to be modeled like this, you can change it. This is all pre-coded as well, so you don't need to position it anywhere in Squarespace. It will automatically take its positioning. Then you also have settings here. So for example, frequency, how often you want it to show. You have pages, devices, schedule, triggers, and a bunch of other settings. I'm not going to get into too much detail about these. Feel free to play around with all of them until you create the perfect pop-up for your business. Once you're happy with everything that you've done here, go ahead and click add to website for free in the bottom left corner of the screen. And then in a couple of seconds, your widget will be saved up. All we need to do now is go ahead and hit publish in the top right corner of the screen, and then you'll be taken to the plans page. It will look just like this. From here, I'm going to go for the free plan, and you can do that as well because that supports one singular widget. However, in the future, if you want to use more than one widget, or if you want to unlock more functionalities, then you can go for the premium plans right here. As you can see, they have quite a few different options that you can choose from. Once you've selected the plan that you want to go for, you'll be taken to this page right here, which is where we can now copy the code. Simply click on this button here to copy code, and then head over to your Wix website. So as you can see, I'm already in my Wix editor, and all we need to do now is go ahead and click on the search button right here and search for HTML. Once this loads up, click on embed right here, and then this window on the left hand side is going to open up. From here, underneath popular embeds, you will see embed HTML. Click on that, add to site, and then this is going to add this HTML block to your Wix website. From here, make sure that this is selected to code, and then just paste the code that we copied before. Click update. Give it a couple of seconds, and then we can preview the website and see what it looks like. Give it a couple of seconds to load. And also bear in mind that depending on the triggers that you've set, there might be a little delay for the pop-up. So yeah, keep that in mind. Okay, mine is a little too small. That is because I didn't resize it accordingly. So let me just go back in the editor and resize accordingly. As you can see, here is the pop-up, and this is what it looks like. This is what I've managed to customize. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how to add a pop-up to your Wix website. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.